Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And to do this, first thing is to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being right here, and the next one right here. There's also a phone call speaker on top of the screen. And now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.